Hey everyone, what if I told you that while you were sleeping last night, artificial intelligence created over 10 million pieces of content across the internet? That's not science fiction anymore, that's Tuesday. Welcome to the Vidpreneur, I'm Joe Hill, and if you're watching this, you're about to discover something that could completely transform how you think about building your digital presence. Before we dive in, make sure you're following along because what I'm sharing today isn't just theory, it's the reality that's reshaping entire industries right now. Here's the truth nobody wants to talk about. AI isn't coming to disrupt your online business. It's already here, and it's moving faster than most people can keep up with. But here's what's interesting, and this might surprise you. The people who are adapting to this change aren't just surviving. They're absolutely crushing it. Think about this for a second. 5 years ago, creating professional quality content required expensive equipment, teams of people, and months of planning. Today, someone with a smartphone and the right AI tools can produce content that rivals major production studios. That's not an exaggeration. That's happening right now, every single day. But here's where most people get it wrong. They see AI as this scary replacement for human creativity. That's like saying calculators replaced mathematicians. The mathematicians who learned to use calculators became incredibly more powerful. The same thing is happening with content creators who embrace AI tools. Now you might be thinking, Joe, this sounds overwhelming. Where do I even start? That's exactly why I created the Vidpreneur. I've spent years studying what actually works in digital marketing, not the theoretical stuff you read in outdated courses, but the strategies that are producing real results in today's landscape. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine having a YouTube channel that consistently attracts your ideal audience, generates meaningful income, and gives you the freedom to work from anywhere. Sounds pretty good, right? But here's what most people don't realize. Building that kind of success isn't about luck or having some secret formula. It's about understanding the systems and adapting to the tools that are available right now. The creators who are winning today aren't just posting randomly and hoping for the best. They're using comprehensive strategies that combine human insight with AI efficiency. They understand algorithm patterns, audience psychology, and content optimization in ways that would have been impossible just a few years ago. This is where things get really interesting. The opportunity we have right now is unprecedented. While traditional employment becomes increasingly uncertain, digital platforms are creating more millionaires than ever before. But only for those who understand how to navigate this new landscape. I'm talking about building something real here. Not get-rich-quick schemes or overnight success stories, but legitimate strategies for creating sustainable income streams through social media platforms. Whether that's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or platforms that don't even exist yet, the principles remain consistent. The key is understanding that we're living through a fundamental shift in how value is created and distributed online. The people who recognize this shift and position themselves accordingly are going to thrive. Those who ignore it, well, they're going to struggle to keep up. Here's what I want you to understand. Building a successful digital career isn't just about creating content anymore. It's about creating systems. It's about understanding your audience so deeply that you can serve them in ways they didn't even know they needed. It's about leveraging technology to amplify your natural abilities, not replace them. If you're serious about building legitimate opportunities to work from home, to create real financial independence through digital platforms, then you need to stay connected with what's happening here at the Vidpreneur. I'm constantly researching, testing, and sharing strategies that are working right now, not what worked 5 years ago. The upcoming content I'm preparing will dive deep into specific tactics, real case studies, and actionable steps you can implement immediately. Because here's the thing. Information without implementation is just entertainment. So hit that follow button, turn on notifications, and get ready to transform how you think about building your digital presence. The future belongs to those who adapt, and that adaptation starts right now.